The Detroit-Wayne Mental Health Authority is one of the nation's largest county mental health organizations with more than 100 employees and a budget of $640 million. What key initiatives is the authority targeting to strengthen the community? Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Laurel Hess and this is Comcast Newsmakers. Joining me now is the President and CEO of the Detroit-Wayne Mental Health Authority, Tom Watkins. Thank you so much for joining us today.
It's always good to be with you. Thank you.
This is a fairly new authority, or at least serving in a new role right now as it's transitioning away from being under the umbrella of Wayne County. Is that the case?
Absolutely. We have a 12-member board, 6 appointed by the county executive or recommended by the county executive. County commission ultimately appoints them, and 6 by the mayor of the city of Detroit. These are dedicated individuals that are focused on assuring that we provide the highest quality of care for people with serious mental illness, developmental disabilities, and now, in the new year, substance use disorders. And this is very vital because these issues impact us all. There's not a single zip code that's not impacted by these issues.
What is the current state of the state's mental health system? We hear so much criticism in general that there's not enough funding, there's not enough resources, that folks that need help can't get it. How are we doing as a state?
We're getting good, we're good and getting a lot better. We need to continue to focus on the quality. I will advocate very strongly at the federal and the state level to get resources. But we have $640 million of yours and my tax dollars. And so what we are focused on is making sure that we're efficient and effective in delivering that service. Our focus is on being consumer and community focused, data driven, and evidence-based. So making decisions based upon the data and the best practices that are coming out to serve your father, mother, sister, brother. This isn't some statistic. This is people in the community that we love, and we have a responsibility to assure the highest level of care for them.
There is some legislation, I understand, in the works right now that could even help further to improve the system.
Yeah, we're very proud of our Senator, U.S. Senator Debbie Stabenow, is pushing for the Excellence in Mental Health Act. And this will enable additional Medicaid dollars to be targeted to people with serious mental illnesses and other disabilities in our community. And she needs to be commended for pushing for this, because oftentimes after a tragedy, we'll see that perhaps somebody didn't get the right diagnosis, didn't get the right treatment. Here's an opportunity for our legislators to step up and invest in the future of this state and this nation by providing the highest quality of care to some of the most vulnerable citizens among us.
I was just going to ask, how have the recent outbreaks of tragic gun violence perhaps spurred some action to improve the mental health system?
Well, the Obama administration has put over $100 million of new money in. Governor Snyder has been very supportive of this in the legislature and targeting resources. We're very appreciative of that, but there's still a greater amount of need than there's resources to meet that today.
What would you like to see happen in the next maybe 2-3 years?
Well, I really think that the issue that we need to focus on is destigmatizing mental health. The brain above the neck is just as important as below in healthcare, and we need to understand that depression, schizophrenia are diseases. It's not a matter of pulling yourself up by your bootstraps. So remember, if a family member needs help, reach out and get it.
All right, thank you so much. For more information on today's topic, you can visit dwmha.com or call the 24-hour crisis information and referral hotline, 800-241-4949. Today's Comcast Newsmaker was Tom Watkins, the President and CEO of the Detroit-Wayne Mental Health Authority.